Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today we're learning the difference between say and tell. These two verbs are very similar, but they are not used in the same way. Let's start with say. We use say when we focus on the words that someone speaks. The basic structure is say plus something. Here are some examples. She said hello. He said goodbye. They said thank you. Notice that after say, we don't usually mention the person who receives the message. Now let's look at tell. We use tell when someone gives information to another person. The structure is tell plus someone plus something. For example, tell me the truth. She told him a story. Please tell us the answer. Notice something important. After tell, we usually include a person. Now, let's compare the two. She said hello. This sentence only focuses on the words. Now look at this. She told me a story. Here, we know who received the information. So the key difference is very simple. Use say for the words themselves. Use tell when someone receives the information. Here is an easy memory trick. Say equals words. Tell equals someone. Let's practice. Which sentence is correct? She said thank you. Perfect. Now try this one. She told me the news. Excellent. Now listen carefully. She said me hello. This is not correct. Instead, say, she said hello to me. Or, she told me hello. Although in everyday English, people usually say, she said hello to me. The more you read, listen, and practice, the more natural these verbs will become. Keep practicing every day, and soon you'll use say and tell with confidence.